Good game, guys.
Yeah. Blow it out your ass, Matrix.
Wow, you guys won a video game. Great job. Now, we've got a school to demolish, so if you could just take your little slow-mo victory dance and just go right down this...
Ashley, what in the hell are these?
It's our champions can, Mom.
How can you be champions if you lost the game? How many of these worthless things did you buy?
40 million shipments to every major retailer across the globe. But Mom...
I did not raise my boys to be fiscally irresponsible. I don't think you're mature enough to run a mega mall.
No, Mom, please, you can't be serious.
No! No! I want it! It's not fair!
In the jet, now!
Mom! Mom! Mom!
Fine. We'll go.
But you haven't seen The Last of Us, VGHS. Not now!
Oh, yes, they have.
Mom!